how much time does it take you to create a recipe? And this includes getting the right image for it, professional photography, calculating all the nutrients, writing down the instructions, getting every ingredient down. So we're talking about a good quality recipe for your clients. Because if you're a personal trainer or a nutritionist or somebody that works in wellness, you know that good recipes are very important. They help your clients change their lifestyle habits and become healthier, eat better foods. And over time, if you're working on coaching these clients, you're going to need a lot of recipes and you'll need variations because you need different portion sizes for different people. You need different dietary requirements. And it's basically, if you don't have a system for this, if you're just kind of relying on gathering random recipes from the web, you're going to have different quality on the different recipes. It's not going to be consistent with your brand. You may run into copyright issues if you're using other people's recipes. So we here at NutriAdmin, we work with nutritionists, dietitians, personal trainers. We've been working with them since 2016 and gathering all the feedback that these professionals have provided us with. We have created what we think is the best recipe software for anybody working in nutrition, and it's designed to solve all of the problems that you need. So you can very easily create professional quality recipes. You can query a database where there are no copyright concerns and you can find exactly what you need. You get all of the nutrients analyzed for you automatically, and the recipes contain your branding and look great. So I'd like to show you very quickly how the system works and how you can benefit from it. And you can see here on the menu, the software can do many things, but the recipes section, it contains many different options. So for instance, there's this section, My Recipes. So this is a way for you to keep all of your recipes that you work with over time organized in one place. So I have 134 different ones in here, and the collection could extend to thousands, and you can categorize them, search for them. So as your collection grows, this allows you to keep them all in one place. Now, let me show you the recipes database. So when you click here for recipes database, we actually have two different databases. So the NutriAdmin database, this has been developed by us and it's been developed by a nutritionist. And all of the recipes here have consistent, high quality imagery. And I can show you, you can search, performing an advanced search. You can specify how many nutrients you want in the recipe, ingredients to exclude. There's a lot of advanced filters here. You can pause the video and have a look if you want. And let's say, for instance, I just want to search for a salmon Mediterranean as recipe. And I'm going to search. And you can see the results. As you can see here, the imagery is all very high quality. And you get the energy, protein, fat, carbs, and fiber. You can even customize which nutrients showing here. And this allows you to quickly browse through them and find exactly what you need. So you can filter, as I said earlier, by diet, by allergens, many different options. And then any of the recipes you pick in here, let's say I pick this one, you're able to use it on its own. So you can download it as a PDF. And the PDF can be customized in terms of formatting and fonts, colors, your branding. It will have your logo in here instead of ours. And it includes a nutritional analysis. This is also broken down by ingredient, and it also includes micronutrients. So all the vitamins, minerals, etc. are going to be listed here. And you can edit. This is the editor. You can change simply by typing any aspect of the recipe, servings, time, instructions. The image, you can replace it or upload your own. You can add ingredients, and we have a very nice interface for ingredients. If you just type in here anything, it's gonna query multiple food databases and show you straight away with a summary of the calories and macros. So you can just pick from here and add it. You see how simple it is, and you can easily remove it as well. And as I said earlier, there is macro summary. There is a breakdown per ingredient, per 100 grams, and per serving. So you have a lot of granularity as to how you explore the nutrients in a recipe. And the same is true for micronutrients. You can see literally the breakdown, like let's say which food is contributing the most sodium to this recipe. And I can have a look at the table and see that, well, the salt, obviously, that makes sense. But also, Kalamata olives, not necessarily obvious that is so much salt in them. And that's basically how you use the recipes database. And as I said earlier, though, there are two databases. So if this isn't enough for you, there is a second database called Spinacular, and this uses a third-party software company called Spinacular that collects recipes from all over the web. So I believe they have about 360,000 recipes here. So you can find more ideas here. And in here, these haven't been developed by us, so the quality will be different. They're aggregated from different sources, but basically, I just want to show you that there are so many options, and you can find exactly what you need, right? So that covers the recipes database. Then there's another option here, import from a URL. So this is great because if you have your own recipes already published in your website, or if you find other websites, like let's say I have a BBC coronation chicken recipe here from BBC website, I can simply copy the URL and go back here and paste it, click on import, and this will instantly import all of it. So it picked up the image, it picked up the ingredients and the quantities for the ingredients. So it's gonna do the nutritional analysis, which wasn't necessarily provided on the website. It doesn't matter if they provide it or not. It's gonna calculate it in here. And yeah, it's then you can edit it and you can make any changes if anything of it is not to your liking. And then finally, another feature we have is an AI recipes generator. So this is using ChatGPT from OpenAI, and it allows you to generate a recipe on the spot. So anything you want, you can say, give me a recipe for a light breakfast for a paleo diet, low in salt and including pork. So you can just be creative and ask for anything you want. And this is gonna, within a few seconds, generate a recipe that matches your requirements. So here you have it, instructions, ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna say continue. And then it allows you to even generate an image. So I'm gonna say with pork sausage. And you're gonna get 4 images to choose from. So you can select your favorite, and these images are free of copyright concerns because they're generated with AI. So you don't have to use any sort of attribution in your recipes. So you see here, I'm gonna pick this one, confirm, and it's gonna take us back to the recipes editor. So if, again, anything is here you wanna change, you can edit it, change the ingredients, search the database. Like the database is very powerful. You can search USDA branded, OSNAT, UK database, and when you search for foods, you can see breakdowns and comparisons of nutrients, so it's very easy to find what you need. And basically, just to sum up, you can create your own recipes from scratch, so you can create anything you want from scratch. You can search the database. We have these 2 databases for different use cases. You can import from URL, and you can generate with artificial intelligence. And finally, all these recipes, you can download as a PDF, as I shown here, or you can combine them into a meal plan. So you see we have a meal plan section, and I'm gonna just quickly show you a sample meal plan. This is a sample meal plan for 2,000 calories a day for a paleo diet. And this is how the meal plan looks like. And if we check the recipe section, it's just full of recipes. So the client basically can get a meal plan that tells them, here are the meals you need Monday to Sunday, breakfast to lunch, dinner, snacks. And when they download the meal plan, every recipe will have an image, cooking instructions, ingredients with the right quantities, and it's all going to be a very practical system for you to use, because you never have to do the same work twice, essentially. Like every recipe you use that you like gets saved in the system, is organized, easy to find. And see, this is how it looks like in a PDF. You can combine them all. And this is a very professional looking document that you can give to your clients. And you see here, this is a 50-page document, and it can be produced in less than half an hour, or even if you use the meal plan generator, you can actually create this in 60 seconds. So if you work with clients that need recipes for weight loss or for gaining mass, getting fit, handling some digestive condition, NutriAdmin is basically software for you. We've been working with nutritionists, personal trainers, and wellness professionals since 2016, and we specialize on professionals like you. So you will find the features and practical know-how that you need for your practice or business. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment on this video or reach out. You can reach us out at team@nutriadmin.com. Thank you.